Hello, kids! Today we are learning the letter A. A says ah. A for angel, alligator, and apple airplane. B for ball.
B for bird.
B for bus. C for cat. C for car. C for cow. D for dog.
D for duck.
D for doll.
E for elephant.
E for egg.
E for engine.
F for fox. F for fish.
F for fan. G for goat.
G for grapes.
G for guitar.
H for hen. H for hat. H for horse.
I. I for ice cream. I for igloo. I for ink.
J for jug.
J for jeep.
J for jelly. J for jug.
J for jeep.
J for jelly.
K for kite.
K for king.
K for kangaroo. L for lion. L for leaf. L for lamp.
M for monkey. M for mango. M for moon.
N for nest.
N for nose.
N for net.
O for owl. O for orange. O for octopus. P for parrot.
P for pen.
P for pig. Q for queen. Q for quail. Q for question. R for rabbit. R for rose. R for rainbow. S for sun. S for star. S for snake. T for tiger. T for tree. T for train. U for umbrella. U for unicorn. U for utensil. V for van.
V for violin.
V for vase. W for watch. W for watermelon.
W for wall. X for xylophone.
X for Xmas tree.
X for x-ray. Y for yak.
Y for yo-yo. Y for yellow. Z for zebra.
Z for zoo.
Z for zip.